Okay, so just in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Microsoft Word to reference your articles using APA format. This is a wonderful tool. So I'm going to use this article which we have been reviewing. So if I go to Microsoft Word, all right, so if you go to Word and you go up here to where it says references, you can insert citation, you can do a bibliography. So right now we're just going to insert a citation and we're going to add a new source. And you can change this to anything you want. You can do it as a book section, a journal article and periodical, and so forth. And so you can select which one you want to use. So you even have electronic source, document from a website. So we're just going to go up here and we're going to do a journal article, and I'm going to do the author. So notice down here it tells you how to do the author. Now it's really important that you put a comma between the last name and the first name, and then you do a semicolon between the authors. Otherwise your references are not going to come out correctly. So I'm going to go back to my article here, and our author is Van Loon, J.C. Luke. So if I go to Microsoft Word, Van Loon, comma, J.C. Luke. All right, and the title of my article, as we have been working on, is there a need for protein ingestion during exercise? Okay, and the year is 2014, I believe, and we're going to do 44 supplement 1. Okay, so the year is 2014, and we're going to do 14. I think this is going to work. We'll have to check. Supplement 14, and it's what is it? 105 to 111. 11, and the journal here is Sports Medicine. Okay, so now I've hopefully created that correctly, and I'm going to click OK. So it's going to put that reference there, but that's not what I want, because I want you guys to references in APA. So if I go here to bibliography, and I can do references or I can do bibliography. So let's just do references for here, and there it is. So on your assignments, what I want you to do is reference this here as you guys develop your research, and in some of your assignments where I have multiple paragraphs, this is what I want you to start with. Okay, and so you can say, whatever you're going to say, according to this article, this is what they reported. You can change this reference a name you can make it black, and you can change the font to Times New Roman, and so that's a quick, easy way to do your references using APA, and you're going to get it right. So the rest of us as faculty are not going to give you a hard time. Use Microsoft Word, it's great.